Working with AppBoss was very easy. They understood exactly what we needed in order to elevate the experience for our students, and they delivered a flawless app. My name is Dana Cenț. I'm a co-writer at Forest Books. We've been working for the past years on a book series for children who learn English. We wanted to incorporate blended learning as part of the teaching. Blended learning would offer students a more customized teaching experience and would help the teachers track the progress of the students in real time. LearnDash offered the functionality we needed. The possibility of getting a native app for the biggest mobile ecosystems was really exciting. Working with AppBoss was very easy. They understood exactly what we needed in order to elevate the experience for our students, and they delivered a flawless app. We've been testing the app with our students for the past few weeks, and the feedback is amazing. This generation of students is familiar with smartphones more than desktops, and the user experience the new app offers is unique. Students are able to reinforce anywhere, anytime, the knowledge they acquire in class. Our customers love studying on their mobile phones, and we are working tirelessly to add new content for them. The best thing with customizing Learner app is the time we saved, not needing to work alongside a developer to explain what we need. And instantly we added or removed features that we needed or thought are redundant. I would recommend AppBoss to anyone looking for a hassle-free native app.